Okay, so in this video, I'm partnering up with DY Hair 777. How am I all pretty and stuff? Like, look at the bag. Okay, so it comes in this little baggie. Like, oh, these lashes was not in here like this. I put that in there. But it come like this, little carrier bag. So if you want to travel with it, and then when you take it out of here, it have this in the middle. Look at it. Like, look at it. Y'all see this gonna be pretty. It's gonna be pretty. Okay, you got the combs that's already attached, as you can see. You got the band. D-Side and All of Destiny showed me this. This makes it tighter. This the band that makes it tighter to your head. See? And this is my first wig review. Before I mess with it, this how the curls came. Like, look at them curls, like, and it feels so soft, like, and when you pull it, it bounce back. Look at the bounce back guy. Like, bounce back guy is something serious. Okay, y'all. So I'm gonna condition it first. All of Destiny said, well, I was gonna use a spray bottle, but All of Destiny said it'll give me a better beginning.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna use her Shea Moisture Curl and Shine Conditioner. So just follow me and we gonna get this thing conditioned. Okay, so this is the hair after I used the Shea Moisture conditioner on it. So I'm just gonna be using the Wetline Extreme. As y'all see in my previous videos, this is the product that I use now. I have 2 clips. So basically I'm just gonna be styling it like I do my normal hair. My regular natural hair. So I'm just gonna be pinning it up, starting from the bottom, working my way to the top. And I'm not using a comb since the hair is so new, it's not tangled. So I'm gonna just use my fingers. And we're using about this much. We just gonna rub it in your hand and just run it through the curls. It's gonna run it through the curls. This some good hair too. Like, it don't need much. Like, it's already curly. But yeah, this is all we gonna do. Y'all know you just rake until you get the curl you want. It got a natural shine to it. Like, you really don't have to do much to it.
Well, I guess with the wet line, you want it after it dries to help define the curls. Basically, that's the reason you put it in your natural hair.
Okay, y'all, this just water and moisturizing lotion. The hair is drying quicker than I thought, so. Okay, so this is the finished product after me putting all the wet line in it. This is what it looks like. And I'm gonna do a side part.
You want, like, look at her face and do the same thing. So if this was her eyebrow, this is her eye right here. So if this is her eyebrow, that's how I part. You use your face as symmetry. Your part will go right there. And keep in mind your braids too. Since you got a braid in the center of your head, you don't want a part right there because your part,
see the braid.
Yeah, it's gonna be sitting on top of it and your part not gonna lay flat.
Okay.
That's why you want to divide your braids based on how you plan on parting it. Oh dear.
Let's see, but I won't do this. D-side.
Okay. And then
I don't think I'm gonna do one this right.
yeah, that's right. Take it down some.
Oh no, I thought that'll make the hair move better.
Oh yeah. Okay.
There we go. There we go.
You want to comb all the way down. You don't want that to be puffy. Yeah. Comb it down. Yep. All the way through. While it's wet, you molding it.
Okay. Molding. Yeah, this is called molding.
Okay, let's see what you got. Now the back part. Work with the back. Hold on, because I don't like the comb you're using.
Yeah, it's taking my hair out.
You need use this. Notice where the tracks are
Covered it up.
and then part accordingly. Really need a brush. Hold on.
Destiny broke the demon brush.
Yeah, brush it. There you go.
Oh, this makes the curls pop.
There you go.
If you don't hear that sound, you ain't brushing hard enough.
Okay, now another thing you have to do next is, hold on, because I see your trick right there.
Oh, right there. I pulled too much hair.
Yeah, you got too much hair in the front. You want to part that sideways.
Like this one.
Nah, you ain't got to do it like that, about right here. And take the rest of that back. There you go.
Still
Okay,
seasoning
now in the front,
I'm
when it
still
dries,
seeing.
that's because it's flat. As it dries, it won't look like that.
Okay.
Okay, now because you got a piece hanging, the way your front look, that's how it's gonna dry. So you gotta decide if this how you want the front, if you want it pushed back some, if you want it kind of over the face like that. And then the other thing you need to do right there behind that,
Oh,
yeah,
this.
that's what you need. And now you need a flat brush, one of these, flat.
What's considered a flat?
No,
This?
those nail brushes. Here, this is considered flat.
Oh.
So dip into the powder and sweep it along the parting space. You can do this more once you put it on to
Sweep
really
it along like this way or that way.
the same way the part is going. The reason the brush is flat is because it's about the same size as the parting space. Yep.
Nothing on this thing. There you
You'll
go.
be able to put more once you put it on your head. Keep going. Okay. And now another thing you can do since you don't want to plug along the parting space, notice where the spaces are, sweep it in there, and that'll help to, no. When you do it that way, keep it flat and go like that.
Ow.
That'll help to give it color in the front. Make it, maybe, it'll look like you plucked it even if you didn't.
Okay.
Because it gives it a more skin-like look on top of the stocking cap. Okay, next thing you gotta do is cut off the lace, and you can use a razor or scissors to do that. You don't have to be precise with the cutting. It looks more realistic actually if you're not that precise with it.
Oh, okay.
Because otherwise it'll be a whole line kind of.
Wiggly.
Mm-hmm. And kind of notice how the baby hair is too. So if the baby hair swoop, then you kind of
Swoop it.
yeah.
You want to get close to the hair as possible, not too close. I remember these guys saying, nah, that was about bleaching. To not, if you bleach too much, it makes them loose. Can't see it. Now, on this part, yeah, you can hold the hair back, or you can put a clip on it to clip the rest of it off. Okay. Now, you need to cut that lace from underneath. That's in the back, so you just take it off of the mannequin stand. I don't need that, dude.
I I just hold it like that and go straight across the back. And this is gonna dry it. Now we wait.
Okay, I think she finna start making baby hairs, and it did come with a little baby hair, so yeah.
So yeah, gonna take the same thing she already been using. Just gonna.
That's how you put it in there?
Yeah.
All right. This hair is like the bomb. Like, this some good hair. It don't shed, it don't do none of that. Like, look at it. Like, look at the curls. And this only has the wet line gel, and the rest of it is like, that's it. Like, to get curls like me, you know, you gotta follow me. But yeah, this is some good hair. Like, I love the hair. It's very soft. The curls hold very well. Like, it's pretty much talking for itself. Like, it's speaking for itself when you're looking at it. But yeah,